How you doing? So my name is Paul. I've spent 17 years working hands-on with stone countertops, fabrication, installation, repair, polishing, sealing, restoration, quality control, and project management and real-world problem solving. And on this channel, I give homeowners honest advice about countertop problems, stone repairs, material choices, and expensive mistakes to avoid. And today I want to talk to you about a situation that I had today actually for my consulting side of the business. It was a local customer who was about to purchase a home about an hour away from me. They requested that I would meet them at the house before they actually decide to purchase the home and inspect. It was a brand new home. Inspect the countertops that were installed, see if there was any defects because in the kitchen they had a natural quartzite material, and there was some veining and fissures that you could feel a little bit. And they wanted to make sure everything is solid, everything is supported the correct way, and that there is no structural issues or damage to the countertops while they were installed previously. So I met the client at the house. We walked through the house. In their two bathrooms in the house, they had quartz countertops, not much to look at there. It was just white marble looking quartz countertops. I told them what the maintenance on it was and everything. In the kitchen, they had a beautiful, busy quartzite with a an eighth inch square edge on it. Um, Everything looked perfect. There was a tiny little chip on it. And basically, what they tried to find out from me was this: how do we maintain it? How do we work with it? How do we go around it? Can we put foot on it? Can we, if we spill something, what happens? How do we clean it? Is it durable? Is it not durable? How often does it have to be sealed? Do you seal it? Can we seal it? All those kinds of questions. So I went over the whole kitchen. I discussed it with the customers, answered every possible question that they had, and that is a service that I provide. Now, there's many different ways you can damage a natural stone, and there's many different ways you can clean a natural stone and things like that. So um, the questions that they generally had was they never had quartzite in the house. They had a granite countertop in their previous home, and they had some quartz in their bathrooms as well. Quartz they didn't like too much, so they're probably going to look into changing the bathroom countertops into natural stone as well. I did recommend granite for them instead of quartzite for the bathrooms. Just a little bit easier to maintain, especially if it's a busy granite. um, Second thing is they had a problem with the installation of the sinks in the entire house. The sinks for the countertops in the baths, as well as the kitchen with a big garbage disposal, all of the sinks were installed the wrong way. The bathroom sinks were installed only with epoxy and adhesive, which is completely wrong because that epoxy and adhesive is going to let go sooner or later. The sinks need physical mechanical supports holding them up, and the sealant in between the sink and the countertop is only there to prevent leaks, not to have any carrying weight of the actual sink. The kitchen sink looked to me like it was a composite sink with a heavy garbage disposal on it. They did put four supports on it, two on each side, but the supports were particle board. That particle board being next to the sink gets a little bit of moisture. It bends, it shrinks, it moves around. It will not provide any support for that sink. Most likely within a year or two, they're going to have an issue, and that sink either is going to disconnect from the granite, from the quartzite, and lower itself, not completely fall, or it might possibly completely fall, break the pipe underneath, and have your kitchen basically flood and have a lot of damage with kitchen wooden floor, as well as the wooden cabinets that they had in the house, which were very nice. So there was some issues to be addressed. The house wasn't decided on yet. So now they might discuss with the seller on what's going to happen, if they're going to cover the cost of this, if the owner is going to cover the cost of it. Then they're going to try to probably get a tiny bit lower price on the house. I don't know what they're going to work out. That's on them. But they did want an evaluation from me, a consultation on site, which I did, and basically provided that service. As you heard before, they were super happy with that. And that's the kind of service that I provide. So on the screen on the bottom, you have my phone number. I do this nationwide, no matter what state you're in. My business is located in Texas, but no matter what state you're in, you can text me at that number. We'll arrange either a video call or a regular phone call. You could send me some photos, whatever, but text me, tell me what you need for a consultation, and we'll go from there. Also, you can visit my website, which is countertopsconsulting.com, to get more information, see a couple packages and what the charges are for the consulting service as well. In the middle of the screen, you have a sign that says go to countertopsconsulting.com for the free guide, which says 7 costly countertop mistakes homeowners make before buying. All you got to do, you go to the you go to the website, you input your email address, you get a completely free guide with the 7 costly countertop mistakes, completely free, no charge. So if you'd like to get that, go ahead, go to the website, download it, completely free. And that's it. So that was kind of my day today. On Saturday, I try to stay mostly with my family, and not work physically, but a consultation can always be done. So thank you for watching today. Take care. Bye bye.